This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Morrow. Light and bright furnished end condo with the Savannahs Nature Preserve behind it allows a very private location. Open floor plan plus eat at bar between fam room and kitchen. Kitchen west/extra cabinets for more storage. Washer/dryer closet in kitchen. Custom mirror wall in living area, recessed lighting both living, fam room, and bedroom. Tiled floors throughout, guest bath with newer vanity, new tiled tub enclosure and floor/wall. Master bath shower updated as a walk-in west/updated tiled walls and floor. Grab bars plus seat in shower. Air conditioner replaced 2023, water heater 4 years new. Screened Lania west/extra open paver patio for enjoying the FL sun and nature. Great winter home for our winter visitors. Please allow at least 2 months for any closing on a contract as sellers need to remove all personal items from condo. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Morrow at 772-979-1426.